Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, subscribe, like, comment, and I will give you the same love back. For this tutorial we are doing a Valentine's Day look because it's literally a couple of weeks away, and I was very inspired by all the love I keep getting from Instagram and other tutorials and things like that, so I thought I would give myself a look to do, and it's very sort of nude but also a bit popping at the same time. So for all my girls that want to feel a little bit extra this coming Valentine's Day for their man, then this is the look for you. Stay tuned and I will see you on the next video. Bye! So first off, we're going in with In the Night palette. This is a drugstore palette, and we're going with a brown sort of caramel shade, and we're going in the inner corner and the outer corner of the lid just to add an effect, and just going up above the crease line. And this is going to create a definition. And then obviously you can build the colour up as you like it. Next I'm going to go in with a pink sort of sparkly colour just in the inner corner of the brown that we've just made, and blend that out. Next we're going to go in with KKW Beauty Rose Gold Shimmer with a packing brush. I don't know where this brush is from, but it's good. And we're just going to pop that right in the middle, and it's so pigmented and so shiny. It just gives the eye a wee bit of a drastic look. Next, for the under eye, we're just going to put the first colour, the burgundy colour, back on underneath our eyes so there's something on the waterline. I honestly love this colour. It's such a good translucent colour, and it sort of adds definition. Then we're going to go in with a black liner to create a wing. So I went off camera and sorted out the liner. Still not perfect, but we're going to pop lashes on top of that. So for mascara I'm using The Reveal by Benefit. Absolutely love this mascara. And then we're going to pop on Lily Lashes in Miami. So that's the eyes done. Now I am going to go in with my Arbonne Primer, which is absolutely amazing. I love this stuff so much. Arbonne is a network marketing company, and they work all over the world for pure, safe and beneficial products, and they're all vegan, gluten-free, everything like that products. I will put a description down below and the website if you guys are interested in these products. But for just now I'm just going to use a teeny little bit of primer.
And this helps smooth out your face before the foundation. And the foundation I am using is also from Arbonne. This is shade Honey Beige, dotted around my face. colour and just dot that around in the same places. Just so my foundation isn't that light.
And then with a soft-headed brush, foundation brush, I'm just gonna mix all that in together. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using No.7 foundation. Under the eyes with a foundation brush, just so it covers more of my face. Just gonna powder underneath the eye, and I'm just literally using like Johnston's baby powder because I haven't got another powder. And then just bake that whilst we contour. So for contour, I am going to be using Benefit Hoola powder. This is my holy grail. This is like my ride or die. I absolutely love this little box. I nearly finished it actually. Contour brush. And I like to go like in a 3 motion, so I'll start on my forehead, then into the cheeks, then underneath those, so it's like the number 3. I look so weird right now, but it doesn't matter, because it's for makeup. And then I'm gonna go back in and bake underneath the contour, so it's got a sharp finish. Now for the lips, I'm going to be doing something a wee bit different using all 3 of these lipsticks. We're going to go for like a red lip. We're going to go for like an ombre effect lip. So first off, I'm starting with Essteè Lauder. What shade's this? Hot Kiss Shimmer. And it's like a dark tone purple. And I'm going to put that on the outside of my lips. go back in with the KKW Beauty and take some of the highlighter and pop it on. Oh my goodness. Wow. I wasn't expecting that to pop so much, but and on top of the lip and the chin, on the nose. And for just a little bit more pop, not that I think I need it, is Remel London Live Pink Blush. And just take a little bit and pop it on the apples of the cheeks. So that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!